plenty of curb appeal beckons you inside this gracious 3 halves, with then, home located on the 6th fairway of the Rainbow Springs Par 72 golf course, designed by Joe Lee. Mature oaks line the streets here in Rainbow Springs Country Club Estates. Any golfer would envy having this for a backyard, along with the natural wood setting offering afternoon shade. You'll never want to leave your back porch, except to play golf. Spacious entertaining area is complete with summer kitchen and panoramic views of the fairway. Another view of this very spacious outdoor entertainment area. Natural stone waterfall into the koi pond garden is easy to maintain. Lush greenery and calming water sounds take one's stress right away. You'll think you are in a tropical paradise, which you are.